Welcome back, students. Myself Raghuvansar extends this chapter. The next topic we will learn about is the Great Depression. Great Depression means a long and severe recession in an economy or market. The Great Depression began around 1929 and lasted till the mid 1930s. During this period, most parts of the world experienced too much declines in production, employment, incomes and trade. Now, let's discuss how the Great Depression spread throughout the world. As the wages of workers did not keep pace with the high productivity in industries. Industry owners did not increase the wages of workers. Industries earned huge profits, but the vast majority of workers did not have enough money to satisfy all their needs. They rushed to buy them on credit. The concept of buy now and pay later spread. Various goods such as cars and radio sets, etc., were bought on installments, but installment credit doubled from $1.38 billion to more than $3 billion. This was a dangerous situation because people were now unable to repay their past loans. On the other hand, while America earned lots of money through higher productivity in industries in the 1920s, the European countries were struggling to rebuild their economies after World War I. America lent them about more than 90% loans to purchase American goods. At the same time, America protected itself from European products by charging high rates of custom duty. Consequently, Europe was unable to get prosperity and repay the American debt. Moreover, people began to play the stock market in the hope of making huge profits so that they could repay their loans. But in the absence of wage increase, they could not fulfill their hopes. In the stock market, brokers' loans increased, but share prices fell so much that there were no buyers available at any price. As a result, people stopped spending money on luxury items and slowed investments. Lack of demand affected the entire industrial sector, and so industrial production fell dramatically. Unemployment increased, banks had closed, and thousands of depositors lost their savings. Thus, widespread effect of Great Depression remained constant on society, politics and international relations and on people's mind for long. Thanks.